A 15-year-old boy was arrested after being caught with goats stolen from a Manchester farmer. As Cody Barrett now reports, he was busted in a bizarre twist of events.
David Powell, a farmer from Montpelier district in Manchester, woke up Friday morning to find his goats missing. Sadly, it's a regular occurrence, so he was ready to count his losses and move on. On his way to Santa Cruz, he says he got a ride from a man who said he was heading to a vendor in Pepper district to buy goats. He decided to accompany him.
Same time he called on the phone and said, "Me soon come and I come with the goat them." And he come from the car front, go around in at the back and hide between the seats. And me there go take them picture. The three guys them me go take them picture, but me look like he come sit down up on the seat there, so me kind of go back down low. So me I tell him say, get them up further and take a good picture them. That me see. If I my goat, and from me see them me keep lower in the car. That's how me find out.
After recognizing his goats, he called the Santa Cruz police station. He says he wasn't getting anywhere, and a friend reached out to an off-duty policeman who agreed to help. When he arrived, 3 persons were found with the goats. The men at first put up a fight before realizing it was a policeman. 2 of the men fled the scene, leaving the 15-year-old boy. He is to be questioned. 8 goats were discovered, 6 of which belonged to Mr. Powell. According to the police, since the start of the year, 39 reports have been made. Over 31 stolen cattle have been retrieved, and so far, 7 persons have been arrested and are currently before the court for the crimes. But the cops say they have noticed a new trend: animal laundering.
What is happening is that Praedial thieves will go out there and steal the cattle. They then take the cattle to a legitimate pig farmer and allow the cattle to stay there for a while. Then they go back to the farmer, and the farmer give them back the stolen cattle along with a rod or receipt.
Police are currently monitoring those reported to be involved. In the meantime, he's encouraging farmers to report Praedial larceny and mark their animals.
People believe that because the animal is of a particular color, a unique color, it is enough. It is not enough for the purposes of the court. You have to have some distinguishing mark on the cattle for it to be at that standard that the court will accept it. So we are encouraging people to mark their goat, put a stamp on the goat, make it a permanent mark, so that when we recover these animals, they can be properly identified.
He added that forging good relationship between the police and residents is important in helping to solve these crimes. Cody Barrett, TVJ News.